Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, we will see how can we fetch the users list from the Firebase in React. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code. As you can see, the dashboard component. After the use navigate hook, I'm going to declare the use state with the name users. Let me initialize this with the use state, and it will be a type of array. Let me import the use state. Now after this, I'm going to add here the use effect hook. Now inside this hook, we have to call the method that is a fetch users. Let me create this method. So it will be a const and it will be a async function. Inside this, I'm going to call here the method that is a get docs. It will be a from Firebase/Firestore. Inside this, I'm going to pass here the collection that will be a from Firebase/Firestore. Inside the argument of the collection, we have to pass here the DB that we have declared inside the firebase.js file inside the utils package. After this, we have to pass here the schema name that we have users. Let me add here the await, and I'm going to save the response of this into the response object. After getting the response, I'm going to add here this line where we have a response that is a result of our query to Firebase Firestore. After this, we have a docs that contains array of document objects returned from the Firestore. After the docs, we have a map that is a iterating over each document. As you can see, doc in from response.docs. Doc is a new object is being created. After that, we have this that is a unique identifier of the document ID. At the last, we have a method that extracts the data stored in Firestore document as a JavaScript object. This spread operator spreads the fields from this object into the new object. Overall, this line creates an array that we have user list where each atom is an object that contains both the document ID and the fields from the document. The key idea is to extract both the document ID and its data for further use. After this, I'm going to call here the use state that we have set users. Inside this, I'm going to pass here the user list array. Now we are getting the documents from the Firestore. Let me minimize this. After the box tag, I'm going to add here the tag that is a table. It will be a from material UI. Inside this, we have a table head. Inside the table head, we have a table row with the different table cells like first name, last name, email, and the phone number. Let me import the table row and the table cell. Now after the table head, I'm going to add here the tag for the table body. Inside the table body, we have a logic to show the user details. First, we have a condition where we are checking if the user's dot length triple is equals to 0. Then we have to show this table cell with the caption no users found. Otherwise, we have to show here the user details like first name, last name, email, and the phone. On the table row tag, we have a property key with the value user.id to make the table row unique. Now you can take a look of the dashboard.js file. Let's go back to the browser. As you can see, we are getting here the user. Let's go to the post new user page, and here I'm going to fill the form to post the new user. Let's click on the post user button. As you can see the details of the newly posted user. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.